Trying to log into your GoDaddy email through Outlook, but it keeps rejecting your credentials or throwing error messages. GoDaddy email login failures in Outlook typically happens because of incorrect server configurations, authentication protocol mismatches, two-step verification requirements, or outdated account settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot and fix GoDaddy email's login issues real quick. And if you need more help along the way, our tech experts are always available on these numbers. Let's get you logged in. Method 1. Check for basic requirements. Make sure that your computer or smartphone has a fast and stable network connection. Use the valid and correct GoDaddy credentials to log in into your Outlook account. Make sure device operating system is up to date. If you're struggling with the login even after checking the above points, then follow the further steps to ensure that you're following the right steps. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if it helps you fix the issue. Method 2. Add GoDaddy email to Outlook properly. First of all, you need to log in to your GoDaddy email account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile name at the top and select My Products. On the page that opens, scroll down a bit and click on Email and Office. Now, click on Manage All next to it. Leave that page open for now and switch over to Outlook. In Outlook, click on Add Account. Type in your GoDaddy email address and click on Continue. On the next page, enter your email password and click on Continue. When the sync confirmation screen appears, click on Continue again. And you're done. You'll see a success message on your screen, which means your GoDaddy email is now successfully added to your Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.